Long division with the standard algorithm. There are 5 main steps in long division: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat the steps. With the standard algorithm you can use to divide, we call this long division. First step is to divide 4 into 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Then we multiply our divisor by that number we just wrote in the quotient. So 4 times 2. Write your number below the dividend so you can subtract. Subtract 8 minus 8, which would be 0, and then bring down the next digit. Repeat the process. Divide 4 into 3. Well, 4 can't go into 3, so we put a 0. Multiply. 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract. We still have our 3. Bring down the next digit. Repeat the process. 4 goes into 35, 8 times. Multiply. 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract. Get the 3. Bring down the next digit. 4 goes into 37, 9 times. 4 times 9 is our multiply for 36. Subtract 37 minus 36 for 1. We would rewrite the remainder of 1 as 1 over 4. There is one piece left out of the 4 we need to make another number in our quotient. So the final answer of this is 2,089 and 1/4. You could also work it out to a decimal, but we'll be working on that later. Let's look at some practice problems. Long division. First is an example problem that is worked through for you. Remember, the steps are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Step 1, divide. 5 goes into 7 one time. Multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down the 4. Repeat. Divide 5 into 24 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract, we get our 4. Bring down the next digit. Repeat. Divide 5 into 46. It will go in 9 times. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, get our 1. Bring down the 5. Divide. 5 goes into 15 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract, we get our 0. There is no remainder in this problem. 7,465 divided by 5 is 1,493. Doing long division is one reason it's very important to know those basic multiplication facts. Second problem. Again, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 7 goes into 1 0 times. So we do 7 times 0 is 0, subtract, we get our 1, bring down the next number. Now we divide 7 into 16. 7 goes into 16 2 times without going over. Multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract, we get our 2. Bring down the 9. Divide. 7 goes into 29 4 times. Multiply. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, we get our 1. Bring down the next digit. Repeat again. Divide. 7 goes into 18 2 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract, we get a 4. 4 is our remainder, so we write the remainder over our divisor as 4/7.